Welcome! Managing sales calls, tracking customer conversations, and staying organized with your leads can be challenging without the right tools. That's where Kixie comes in. Kixie helps sales teams streamline their outreach with AI-powered dialing, call tracking, and seamless CRM integration. By automating key sales processes, it enables teams to connect with prospects faster and manage customer interactions more efficiently. With features like power dialing, call analytics, and automated workflows, businesses can improve productivity and close deals more effectively. Let's get started. X combines several features into one powerful platform: AI-powered sales dialing, automated workflows, and seamless CRM integration. Here are some of the main features you will use. AI-powered dialing. X is AI automatically dials leads for you, saving you hours on manual dialing. This allows your sales team to focus on what they do best: closing deals. CRM integration. Kixie integrates effortlessly with major CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and P-Drive. This ensures that all your calls, notes, and activities sync seamlessly with your CRM, keeping all of your information in one place. Click to call. With just a click, you can instantly dial prospects from your computer or mobile device. Say goodbye to the hassle of typing in phone numbers. Power Dialer. The Power Dialer automates the process, dialing through a list of contacts automatically. No more wasting time on manual dialing or waiting for a dial tone. Real-time analytics and reporting. Track your performance with real-time analytics and detailed reporting. Kixie's insights help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales strategy. Texting and voicemail drops. Kixie allows you to send automated texts and leave personalized voicemail drops, making follow-up a breeze. Share call insights, notes, and performance metrics with your team to collaborate more effectively. Now that we have a high-level overview, let's go into more detail on each of these features. Before you start dialing away, you need to set up Kixie for success. Let's walk through how to get started. The first step is to sign up for a Kixie account. Visit Kixie.com and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your details, select your plan, and you will be ready to go. Once you have signed up, you will have access to your Kixie dashboard. After creating an account, the next step is to connect your phone system. Kixie works with both VoIP and traditional phone systems, so you can easily integrate with your existing setup. Kixie will guide you through this process with step-by-step instructions. One of the biggest benefits of Kixie is its CRM integration. Whether you are using Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, or other popular CRMs, you can sync Kixie with your system in just a few clicks. Simply navigate to the Integrations tab in the Kixie dashboard, select your CRM, and follow the prompts to connect. Kixie allows you to set up different user roles and permissions, making it easy to manage your team's access to various features within the platform. For instance, you can assign specific permissions to your sales agents, allowing them access to essential tools such as dialing, call scripts, and lead management. At the same time, you can restrict access to more sensitive admin functions such as billing, system settings, and overall account management, which would be reserved for your managers or admins. This flexibility helps you ensure that each team member has the tools they need to succeed while maintaining control over who can make changes to the system. To set this up, simply head to the Team section of your dashboard. From there, you can assign roles based on the responsibilities of each team member and adjust permissions as needed to ensure a streamlined workflow and secure success. Now, let's talk about Kixie's AI-powered dialing. This is the feature that saves you and your team tons of time. With Kixie, you can set up auto-dialing for your sales reps. Kixie automatically calls a list of contacts, ensuring that no lead is left behind. You can configure the auto dialer to make calls based on your preferred parameters, such as time zone, contact status, and call frequency. The AI system in Kixie is designed to intelligently distinguish whether a call is answered by a person or goes to voicemail. This feature streamlines the calling process, saving your team valuable time. If the call is answered by voicemail, the AI automatically detects this and seamlessly drafts pre-recorded voicemail message, allowing your sales agents to move on to the next call without having to manually leave a message. This feature is particularly useful for high-volume calling, as it ensures that agents don't waste time waiting through voicemail greetings or recording messages themselves. The power dialer is especially powerful for sales teams that need to work through a large list of prospects. You can use multi-line dialing, where Kixie dials multiple contacts simultaneously to ensure that agents spend minimal time waiting between calls. Kixie allows you to create and manage call scripts. These scripts can be customized based on the lead stage, ensuring your agents have the perfect reach every time. You can configure automated messages to be played for specific situations, like when the prospect doesn't pick up. Now, let's explore Kixie's seamless CRM integration. One of the best things about Kixie is that it keeps all your data organized in real time without needing to switch between multiple platforms. Every call made through Kixie is automatically logged into your CRM. This means you never have to manually enter data. Kixie does all the heavy lifting for you. It records call duration, call outcome, and notes, which get synced instantly to your CRM. Kixie can also automatically update contact information, making sure that every entry in your CRM is current and accurate. You won't have to worry about outdated info when you are reaching out to clients and prospects. You can track each stage of your sales process directly in Kixie. If you're using a CRM like Salesforce, Kixie helps you update your leads and opportunities based on your calls. The system also provides insightful analytics that you can use to optimize your sales funnel. Kixie syncs with marketing tools as well. You can connect your email, calendar, and task management systems with Kixie, ensuring that your team is always on the same page. Your CRM will provide all the contacts your sales reps need to follow up effectively. Let us not forget about Kixie's powerful analytics tools. Tracking and analyzing sales performance is crucial for improving productivity and closing more deals. Kixie offers real-time dashboards where you can monitor your sales team's activities. From call volumes to conversion rates, the dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your team's performance. Kixie tracks important KPIs, including talk time, call outcomes, lead response times, and more. Thank you for watching this Kixie tutorial. Using AI-powered sales tools can help teams improve communication, streamline outreach, and manage leads more efficiently. Platforms like Kixie make it easier to track conversations and integrate sales activities directly with your CRM. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on sales tools, CRM platforms, and business software. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.